We'll guide you through how to send GIF on Slack. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin the process. Search for Google Chrome and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. Once the browser launches, enter Slack into the search bar and click the official Slack website from the results page. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Slack account using your credentials. After signing in, tap your recent workspaces to open the workspace where you want to send a GIF. If you do not have a desktop application installed, choose the Use Slack in your browser option to continue using the web version. After your workspace loads completely, tap the emoji icon located near the message field. A pop-up tab will appear, displaying different emoji and media options. At the top of this window, click the GIFs tab to access the available animated images. Scroll down through the collection until you find a GIF that you like. If you prefer a faster method or have a specific animation in mind, you can use the search bar instead of browsing manually. Type the name of the GIF you want to find into the search field. For this example, search for "hello" to display matching GIF results. Review the available options and click on the GIF that best fits your message. The selected GIF will automatically be prepared in the message field. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard to send the GIF to the conversation. Your animated image will appear in the chat, allowing you to communicate in a more fun and engaging way. Using GIFs is a simple way to express emotions, reactions, or greetings, making conversations more lively while helping teammates communicate with personality in both casual discussions